Hey, welcome to With Jeff. This is Jeff, and the video clip you're watching right now is not indicative of the programming we usually show here on the channel, but I wanted to use that clip as an example of how people are staying safe. Yes, this woman is not as covered up as she could be, but she is wearing a mask, and that's what it's all about. In this video today, the pandemic episode, we're going to travel to Hanover Mall and see how the pandemic has affected that shopping plaza. Thanks for tuning in to With Jeff. Enjoy the ride. And the light's red. So I haven't done one of these with Jeffs in quite a while. And it's not for lack of wanting to do them. It's just because I was laid up for a little while with surgery. And then we get this pandemic, which locked us down a little bit. And the whole theory behind With Jeff, if you're not familiar, is you go places with me. So I'm going to go to our Starbucks because they have opened here for pickup on the curb. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to order and then pick up at the curb. Should be perfect. I can park in this puddle and just keep an eye right on the front of Starbucks while I wait for my delivery. Hey, that person went in. They can't go in. Occasionally on With Jeff, I'll do voiceover. Here's some of that voiceover right now, and you'll recognize this woman from the first clip of the video, and you can see her just whipping the mask off right now. Devil may care. It's over. She's been in the store. She doesn't need a mask anymore. I don't know. Let's get underway, go grab our drink, and get to Hanover Mall and see how that comes down. Here's something you don't get to see very often. Yourself on video as you open the door to the car. That little twanging you hear occasionally is the camera going back and forth. But there I am in shorts, and now you can see me pulling my shirt and my shorts up. And then I start to adjust my ostomy belt in a minute. And I'm about to go in, but the guy that was next to me just went in. So I'm waiting for my drink. And I'll just speed this up and get us out of here. And over to Hanover, as promised. I'm going to go down Main Street, or up Main Street, and show you how bare it is. It's just crazy nothing right here. Even the movie theater just has a heart and no shows. Oh, the car in front of us is a Ferrari, I think. Yep. Chasing a Ferrari. Ferrari's almost a little too wide for the road. What do you think? Just my thought. And he likes the New England Patriots, which you know where I stand on that. And as you will notice, this says road closed because the mall is no longer here. Oh, Macy's is. I'm just gonna drive the lampposts. That's a view you've never seen before, right? pretty cool. A little piece of art. Crazy town. All right, well, that's what the mall looks like in front of us. But I would like to get to an area where I can see the drone the entire flight. The fun and interesting thing about this video flyby, look at how ripped apart that Walmart is down below us right now. The interesting part is that you get to see the other side of the mall. See the movie theaters down to the left there? Then we swing back through the parking lot, showing what stores were there, and then it just drops off where Walmart was totally decimated. And they're not all the way through yet. You can see all this junk around. There's a little rise up over the detritus, just showing the whole mall and the trees in the area. And then I did a quick flyby into the scrap area. So I hope you enjoyed it. We're going to do some driving on the way home, maybe swing by a farm, and then we'll get out of here. Thanks for watching. That's about it. We flew the drone quite a bit. You'll see those clips. Really windy up top. So really difficult. Here's the sign. Tells us what's going on. But you can tell, like through this facade, this was a loading dock to Walmart, maybe? Yeah, maybe loading dock for Walmart. And it's just destroyed. This is Hornstra Farms. And they have the barn back here and the silo, and they usually have cows. But I don't see any cows out, so I just wanted to visit and take a picture if there's a cow out, but if there's no cow out, then I don't want to do it. There's the barn, silo, granite, no visitors beyond that point, and there we go. Back out, and it's landscaped very well, I think. There's a lady pretty much dragging her dog down the sidewalk. You'll be able to see him right here. This white dog keeps wanting to go do stuff, and this lady just has to keep dragging the dog. Thanks again for watching with Jeff. This is Jeff, and my journeys are really a respite from the craziness that we're all going through right now with the pandemic. I hope you stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next episode.